Latency tricks in high-frequency trading got wild when firms realized microwave towers could outrun fiber. Around 2010, traders racing between Chicago and New Jersey found fiber routes took roughly 16 to 17 milliseconds, while straighter microwave paths cut that by about 3 milliseconds. Companies leased water towers and hilltop sites, stacking relay dishes across hundreds of miles just to shave tiny delays. The twist? A few milliseconds could mean millions in profit. In HFT, speed isn't a feature, it's the entire game.